how to change crosshair in Marvel Rivals. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Marvel Rivals in your PC. Once you open it up, you want to go ahead and open settings. Simply press start or option button on your controller and then go to settings. Now navigate to controller settings. At the top, select controller and then go to compact section. Use the HUD section and find the reticle option, which is set to default initially. Now simply go ahead and change the reticle type. Select reticle type and choose your preferred crosshairs. After that, you can simply go ahead and customize your crosshair. Simply press the plus icon beside advanced to access customization option. Options may include turning off animation for static crosshair, changing the colors and adjusting other appearances settings. Now once you are done with the customization, save your custom crosshair. Once satisfied, go to Save As under the settings and confirm your save to preserve customized crosshair even if it's accidentally reset. Now once you are done, simply return to your game and your custom crosshair will be activated. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.